There's a certain feeling you get when a vehicle doesn't just transport you, but commands the space around it. This Rolls-Royce Expedition Motorhome is designed to do exactly that. From its bold stance to its controlled proportions, everything about it communicates authority and refinement. Built for long-distance travel and remote exploration, this motorhome blends engineering strength with quiet luxury. The exterior isn't decorative, it's purposeful. Every surface, every line, and every structural decision exists to support movement, stability, and comfort over any terrain. This is not a vehicle meant to rush. It's meant to arrive calmly, confidently, and without effort, no matter where the journey leads. That sense of composure begins beneath the surface with its advanced suspension system. Engineered to absorb uneven terrain, long highway stretches, and off-road conditions with equal confidence, the suspension keeps the cabin calm and balanced at all times. Whether you're crossing rough gravel roads, broken pavement, or smooth asphalt, the body remains stable, quiet, and controlled. Vibrations are reduced, movement feels fluid, and the interior never feels unsettled. This isn't just about comfort, it's about trust. Trust that the vehicle will remain composed in any environment, allowing you to focus entirely on the journey itself. As you step inside, the interior unfolds gradually, beginning with a compact living area that feels warm, intentional, and inviting. This space isn't designed to mimic a home or impress with size. Instead, it's carefully proportioned to feel secure and comfortable. The seating is integrated into the structure, upholstered in dark gray tones that feel soft without being heavy. The layout encourages quiet moments sitting, thinking, resting without distraction. At the center sits a small, minimalist table, understated and elegant, holding a single vase. That single detail defines the entire aesthetic, restrained, calm, and deliberate. Golden ambient lighting runs subtly along the ceiling edges, creating warmth without glare. A side window with a dark frame allows natural light to enter in a controlled way, often softened by a partially drawn blind. This living area feels like a pause between destinations, a place to sit quietly with a coffee, read, or simply reflect after hours on the road. Nothing here feels excessive, and nothing feels missing. The kitchen continues this same philosophy of quiet efficiency. Compact and beautifully integrated, it's designed to function naturally without drawing attention to itself. The countertop is finished in a dark composite surface that's both durable and visually clean. An integrated sink sits flush beside the cooktop, maintaining a seamless appearance. Cabinets blend smoothly into the wall panels, finished in deep grays with soft-close mechanisms that move silently. Just beside the kitchen, a two-stool dining setup provides a practical place to eat without interrupting the flow of the interior. The stools tuck away neatly when not in use, keeping the space open and uncluttered. Focused overhead lighting creates a calm dining atmosphere, whether it's a quick breakfast or a quiet evening meal. Cooking and dining here never feel like separate activities, they're simply part of the environment. Moving deeper into the motorhome, the bedroom reveals itself as a private retreat. This space is deliberately separated, creating a clear boundary between movement and rest. The bed is fixed and centered, dressed in soft beige bedding that contrasts gently with the darker tones around it. A neatly folded blanket and carefully arranged pillows make the space feel inviting rather than staged. That there's no window directly behind the bed, which helps maintain a grounded and restful atmosphere. Side windows are smaller and fitted with blackout blinds, allowing complete control over light and privacy. Underbed lighting glows softly at night, guiding movement without disturbing sleep. A compact side table with a small lamp adds functionality without clutter. The ceiling design remains clean and modern, with integrated lighting that feels natural and unobtrusive. This bedroom doesn't try to impress, it allows you to truly disconnect and rest. Adjacent to the sleeping area is the dressing zone, one of the most thoughtfully designed spaces in the motorhome. Built as a continuous wall, it combines storage, organization, and subtle elegance. A full-height mirror sits flush within the paneling, framed discreetly in black. Beneath it, a slim vanity shelf provides space for everyday essentials, while a compact upholstered bench tucks neatly below that. A tall wardrobe offers hanging space for clothes, with soft closed doors and interior lighting that activates automatically when opened. Drawers below keep accessories organized, while open shelving displays folded items cleanly. At the base, a pull-out shoe tray keeps footwear neatly stored and out of sight. This dressing area is designed for movement, efficiency, and long-term living, not display. The bathroom continues the same restrained, practical approach. Compact yet complete, it includes a modern commode, a small integrated sink with storage beneath, and an enclosed shower. Materials remain consistent throughout: gray wall panels, black flooring, and brushed metal fixtures. Lighting is warm and functional, and a frosted window brings in natural light while preserving privacy. Everything here is durable, easy to maintain, and comfortable to use, even over extended journeys. Only after experiencing the living spaces does the cockpit come into focus. Designed to feel calm and authoritative, it reflects the same philosophy found throughout the motorhome. The dashboard is clean and modern, with digital displays integrated seamlessly into a horizontal layout. Controls are intuitive, information is clear, and a warm golden ambient light traces the dashboard line. The steering wheel carries the Rolls-Royce emblem at its center, grounding the space in confidence and heritage. This cockpit doesn't overwhelm, it supports, guides, and stays quietly in the background while you move forward. In terms of value, a motorhome like this sits firmly within the luxury expedition category, with pricing expected to range between approximately $200,000 and $300,000, depending on configuration and customization. That cost reflects more than materials or branding. It represents engineering depth, thoughtful design, and the ability to live comfortably anywhere without compromise. This Rolls-Royce Expedition Motorhome isn't built for campgrounds alone. It's built for long roads, quiet horizons, and people who value calm control over excess. So the question is simple: if this motorhome were yours, where would you take it first?